to build your own ChatGPT on LaunchLemonade. So once you're on LaunchLemonade.app, all you have to do is log in or sign up. And once you've signed up, you will land on your dashboard. Then you create a lemonade. You name your lemonade and you start creating your tool. And once you've done that, you land on the selection of language models. You can select any language model, but since we're building ChatGPT, we'll use either GPT-4o, o1, and there are other GPT models available as well. But for this one, let's use GPT-4o. And then in the instructions, you can customize your welcome message depending on how you want the custom message to be. And then in the instruction, you simply give it a role, its tasks, rules to follow, and output. So the role is you are an AI assistant designed to assist users with accurate and reliable information by using external search capabilities when necessary. Your priorities are accuracy, clarity, and relevance. Emulate a knowledgeable and resourceful assistant who is committed to providing factual, up-to-date, and verifiable information. Your tasks are receive the user's query or instruction, determine if the query is factual or data-based. If so, perform an external search to retrieve relevant information. Ensure the information retrieved is accurate, up-to-date, and supported by verifiable data. If the query is ambiguous, ask clarifying questions to better understand the user's needs before proceeding. If no relevant or accurate information is found, explicitly state this rather than making assumptions or guesses. For creative tasks such as writing or idea generation, rely on internal knowledge unless instructed otherwise. Rules to follow. Always cite the source of information retrieved through search to ensure credibility. Present information in an easily understandable and organized format. Focus on addressing the user's query directly and succinctly. The output. Summary. Provide concise answer to query in one paragraph. Details. Include relevant supporting information or context in 1 or 2 paragraphs as necessary. Citations. List credible sources or URLs for factual claims in a separate section. So if you want, so that's it. And if you want to customize it, feel free to do so. You can also add knowledge that you can upload. You can add knowledge from a website that you want to scrape, and soon you'll be able to connect to different applications as well so that your lemonade can complete tasks. Once you've done that, you can add details in the description. You can then enable your search function, the ability to upload files, and the ability to upload images in the query. So you can select that. And then this is where you can integrate us with any application via Zapier. And this is where you can use your own ChatGPT. For best results, if you want to make sure that your ChatGPT remembers a lot of your context, you can go to your profile and billing, go to my memory, and this is where you can add anything about you or your business so that your lemonades will always have that context. And that's it. That's how you build your own ChatGPT on LaunchLemonade. Next time, I'll be showing you how to build your own Claude, your own Grok, and so much more, including Flux, which can generate images on LaunchLemonade. I'll see you then. Ciao.